There's a race to the bottom in the home entertainment world, created by the lower pricing for set-top boxes, the near ubiquity of built-in smart features for new televisions, and not least, Google's own low-priced efforts with the Chromecast. Compared to the rock-bottom pricing of gadgets like the Chromecast, the Amazon Fire TV Stick, and the market-dominating Roku boxes, Android TV is in a pickle. Standalone ATV units start at around $100, which is more expensive than the Roku you might buy, or the apps that come free with your TV, and less expensive than the home game console you might already have. Enter the Mi Box. This rookie Android TV entry from Chinese manufacturer Xiaomi is priced at just $70. It makes a compelling offer of just enough extra features on top of something like Chromecast or Roku to justify the extra cost, while still being the cheapest ATV device available at retail. With full access to Android TV apps plus the requisite cast streaming capability, decent, if bland, specs, and a voice control remote, the Mi Box hits a lot of positive notes. That's doubly true if you've been waiting over a year for a new standalone Android TV option, which has been limited to the so-so Nexus player, the deservedly mocked Razer Forge TV, and Nvidia's excellent but expensive Shield TV. How does this budget streaming gadget fare? Surprisingly well. The Mi Box can handle everything that other Android TV devices can with the exception of high-powered gaming, and the price tag is low enough to sneak into your entertainment budget. But once again the hardware is let down by Android TV. The immaturity of the platform, and its trailing position in app support, means that this victory rings hollow in the larger set-top box market.